ETH cost could end the exchange for 2023 with a possible high of $2,304.28 by the finish of 2030. The anticipated Ethereum cost could take off to a pinnacle of $26,575.21. The current cost of 1 Ethereum is $1,939.12136,875. With a new breeze of recuperation with BlackRock's Ethereum ETF application, the ETH cost tracks down another bullish convention with expanded energy. As the ETH cost crosses over the $2,000 mark, the breakout rally means to support the upturn and end 2023 on a bullish note. Known for its decentralized stage and brilliant agreement usefulness, Ethereum, the greatest in the No.1 altcoin, may before long enter a bull run. Furthermore, the channel examples retest builds the chance of a cost hop. Ethereum's cost development reflects versatility to support above $2,000, quickly returning with the expansive recuperation. Be that as it may, this has yet to be addressed. Is this rectification a plunge you ought to purchase? Or on the other hand, will Ethereum go up? We dive into these basic inquiries and more in our thorough Ethereum cost expectation for 2023 to 2030. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023-2030, as the second most significant coin in the present market, Ethereum holds promising cost expectations for the years 2023 to 2030. By and large, being a top worldwide open-source programmable blockchain network, Ethereum offers an assortment of purpose cases that hold critical incentive for monetary associations, banks, and different enterprises. Also, the immense potential works on the probability of Ethereum's entrance into the worldwide market. Thus, with its flexibility and by and large applications, Ethereum is ready to have an enduring effect on the universe of computerized finance, and then some. ETH value forecast November 2023 with a striking recuperation to effectively finish the retest. The ETH cost recaptures pattern speed with the BlackRock Ethereum ETF news and recovers the $2,000 mark. Besides, the sharp leap accompanies progressive bullish candles with over 12% leap. As of now, the cost hop is prompting a little pullback stage and expects to retest the messed up $2,000 mark. Besides, the chance of a cost bounce increments as the general market improves, with the Bitcoin ETF opinions driving an expectation rally. In the event that the ETH cost supports the energy, the post-retest inversion will come to the $2,400 mark toward the November's end. On the other hand, the disadvantage hazard can postpone the breakout, prompting a sideways pattern beneath $1,800. ETH value expectation 2023 as the unpredictable September dies, the Ethereum market value recuperates and drifts over the mental obstruction of $1,500. Nonetheless, it battles to come to the $1,800 imprint and ascends higher with a retest rally. For another situation, the rising pattern energy with the new retest works on the possibilities of a bull rush to bring about a brilliant hybrid. In any case, the Ethereum cost activity keeps a generally speaking upturn, prompting a rising trendline. Additionally, the rising ETH cost pattern as of now challenges the 23.60% Fibonacci level at $1,954. So, the fate of the ETH cost relies on the breakout of this Fibonacci level. In the event that the purchasers figure out how to hold the Ethereum market esteem above $1,954, a bull rush to the half Fibonacci level at $2,879 is conceivable. Nonetheless, the upswing may simply have the option to reach $2,200 toward the finish of 2023. Additionally, read Ethereum value investigation. With ETH cost striving above $1,800, what's straightaway? $1,600 or $2,000. ETH value expectation 2024 for the Ethereum ETH 2024 gauge. One of the key elements driving Ethereum's development is its change to confirmation of stake, POS. Besides, the POS transformation is expected to prompt a huge decrease in gas expenses. Then again, making the exchanges reasonable and open further lifts the Ethereum organization's worth. Consequently, in 2024, the Ethereum coin cost will possibly arrive at a high of $3,582. Notwithstanding, in the event of a revision, the ETH crypto could shape a low of around $2,160, with a typical cost of $2,871. ETH value expectation 2025 in like style, Ethereum, the second biggest digital money, is supposed to keep up with its vertical direction and structure, better upsides in 2025. Besides, with expanded reception and the interest for ETH, the ETH coin cost can make another record-breaking high of $4,925. Be that as it may, on the other side, the ETH coin cost can plunge to $3,917, with a typical ETH cost of $4,392.5. ETH value expectation for 2026. By 2026, the Ethereum coin cost is supposed to arrive at a high of $6,610. On the other hand, the ETH cost could drop to $5,566, with a normal of $5,713. ETH value expectation for 2027. Correspondingly, the Ethereum 2027 figure anticipates that the ETH coin cost should make another record-breaking at $8,705. Be that as it may, a rectification in view of market weaknesses might drive the ETH crypto to $6,800, with a normal of $7,246. ETH value expectation for 2028. Of every 2028, the possibilities of Ethereum ruling the crypto market ascend, as the ETH coin cost will possibly arrive at another high at $16,140. On the other hand, the altcoin could tumble to $12,613, making a normal of $14,482. ETH value expectation for 2029, moving toward its record-breaking high of $21,994.32 in 2029. The Ethereum cost is supposed to outperform the mental obstruction of $20,000. On the other hand, in the event of a remedy, $ETH might arrive at a low of $16,192, with a typical cost of $19,010.77. ETH value expectation for 2030. Ultimately, the ETH crypto cost is projected to arrive at another unequaled high of $26,575.21 in 2030. On the other hand, with an expected low of $20,647.23 and a typical cost of $23,563.01. Ethereum value forecast variables like the fruitful change to pose and the forthcoming Danksharding update will lean stars for the convention. Assuming the Ethereum network figures out how to scale surprisingly with the impending overhauls and the reception race, then, at that point, the ETH crypto cost will soar. Possibly, the Ethereum ETH coin cost will arrive at another swing high of $3,582 before the finish of 2024. On the other hand, expanding FUD among financial backers and an absence of updates could control the worth of one ETH at $2,160. VanEck Value Expectation Report. In a new report by VanEck, an eminent venture the board firm, paints a hopeful future for Ethereum. For the most part, the report frames three expected situations for Ethereum's market cost by 2030: a bullish situation, a negative situation, and a base situation. If there should be an occurrence of a bullish result, Ethereum's market cost could skyrocket to a faltering $51,006, a 31% increment from its ongoing worth. Further, this situation